Hi everyone, I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be sharing some gift basket ideas from items that I have purchased from the Dollar Tree. This large popcorn container I got for $1.25. This Pop Secret, there's 3 bags in there. They are 3 for $1.25. These 2 popcorn containers right here, those were 2 for $1.25. I put some Twix in there and some 3 Musketeers. I also put some Snickers, the fun size. You get 6 of those for $1.25. I also put a box of Whoppers. Those are always delicious. And here I put this Jolly Time yellow popcorn that I purchased there for $1.25. And then what I did is I put some brown lunch bags, tied it with them with a ribbon, and put a little recipe card on how to make paper bag popcorn. Basically, you just put some popcorn and some butter in a bag. It tastes delicious. You could also add some movie theater gift cards to this idea. Here we've got a bowl filled with delicious baking ideas. I purchased these adorable Festive pot holders at Dollar Tree. Also this chocolate fudge brownie mix. Everything was just $1.25. Here, this was purchased at Walmart. These cute gingerbread ornament. Then we've got these chocolate chip cookie mix and a sugar cookie mix because you want to make sugar cookies during the holidays. They're always delicious. And some vanilla frosting to go with it. You could also put some food coloring in there if you wanted to, so that you could change different colors. Got this Festive red spatula and the Festive red measuring spoons to go along with them. These adorable cookie cutters I actually bought last year from Walmart, but they still are selling them this year. They're just a little bit more expensive this year. They're $1.68 at Walmart. So you can use those to cut out your sugar cookies after you roll them out. Then we've got the Festive drying mat there. And these wooden spoons and spatulas were $3 at Dollar Tree. The red Festive mitt right there. This bowl was only $1.25, and this really sweet plate here that says candy canes, hot cocoa. I just love that, and marshmallows. So you could put all your delicious goodies on that. I think everyone would love getting a gift like. Look at this beautiful green and red plaid container with the little ornaments that I've added that you could also put it in. I just love this container. It's so nice for $1.25. What a good deal. Here is a cute way to give someone some hot cocoa and some cookies and a mug. We've got this adorable moose and red sweater mug. We've got a red sleigh and a red and black checkered tree ornament. This little bell ornament that I made. You get 9 of these bells for $1.25, and I put the person's name and Sharpie on the bell to personalize it. We've got these yummy cookies here and also the sugar cookie mix. I think anyone would love getting this gift. Some other ideas would be to add this hot cocoa ball that I got for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Or you could add this Christmas wishes and hot cocoa kisses sign to make it even cuter. Here we've got a breakfast idea for a gift basket. I've put this cute, adorable Christmas tree on the front, and then I added some fresh raspberry preserves. These came from Trader Joe's, but you could buy them anywhere. This cute squirrel that's an ornament came from Walmart for $1.98. Then we've got these measuring spoons, and this sweet ornament came from Dollar General. We've got this bowl. I love it because in the bottom it says the most wonderful time of the year. It's so festive. These home style biscuits. We've got a banana nut muffin mix, and then a pancake mix. You could also add a small thing of syrup to this gift idea. Let me know in the comments below which basket is your favorite so far. Here we've got this beautiful basket made of soft, warm, cozy items that you can wear. These gloves that are in a beautiful shade of green. This candle that I got at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, snow-capped fir. It smells really pretty. This deer that I found also at the Dollar Tree. All of these were only $1.25. It's beautiful. This headband in this beautiful shade of green. Love that. So pretty, and everything is just so soft. These cozy, beautiful shade of pink socks, super soft. And then I put another pair of gloves right here in there. So pretty. Here we've got this hat. I love the little tassel pom-pom at the top of it. These cozy slippers made for women in that beautiful shade of pink and cream. And then some tan colored ones also. So nice and pretty and cozy. This little ornament, added that. We've got this Relax body lotion from the Dollar Tree. And these Andes chocolate mints because they're just delicious. So everything you see here was from the Dollar Tree. Just $1.25 or less. What a deal. These are the bells I've been making into ornaments. I bought those and the ribbon at the Dollar Tree. Now for the Peanut Lovers gift basket. All of these were bought at the Dollar Tree also for $1.25 or less. We've got different flavors, salted caramel, sea salt. Then we've got the salted Planters peanuts, the honey roasted cashews, and the honey roasted peanuts. And I added that cute squirrel because he just looks so cute in there. Here is a cute idea to put 2 little mugs from the Dollar Tree with some Swiss Miss hot cocoa in them and this hot cocoa ball with these different teas from Walmart. They are the Bigelow teas. Thought this was really cute, and it's also in this container, was also only $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. Here is a game basket that I added a bunch of games that I found at Dollar Tree that were $1.25 or less. So I just added all these fun games that I thought would be enjoyable. Cat out of the bag. That one came 3 for $1. Then we've got these playing cards, Family Feud, Talk It Out, Uno, 2 different Uno games in there. And here are all the games so you can look at them up close. If you're enjoying this, let me know which basket you like best and which one you might enjoy receiving as a gift this year or giving as a gift this holiday season. The last one I have to share with you is this fun toy basket idea. I got all these ornaments from the Dollar Tree, made that bell one, and the cute tree one, it was 4 for $1, and the ornament there. Here we've got this cute piano that plays different tunes. It has 4 different tunes on it. Isn't that cute? Then we've got this guitar, and it also plays different tunes. I just love these. They were $1.25, and all I had to do was add 2 AAA batteries. Look at this. Aren't these just the best deal for $1.25? My grandson is going to love these. This one is a saw, and it makes noise. So cute. Then we've got this one back here. This is a drill, and it also makes noise. And like I said, they're all $1.25, and all I had to do was add the AAA batteries. Love this snowman. You press his belly, and he plays a song. Isn't he adorable? This elf one, same. You press his belly, and he plays a song. So cute. And then Santa Claus here. He plays a song. I guess you could say they sing a song. So we got the trio there of singers. Here we have a dinosaur who moves, and you press these cute little buttons at the bottom. There's a pig, a cow, a rooster, and a horse, and they all make sounds. This fun ball here, we've got 2 fun balls, $1.25 or less. Now this right here was the $5 bucket, and it's a bucket of blocks that are fun to play with. So a really good deal for all of these, and including the fabric one. Now here is a cute idea I thought y'all might enjoy, to take pictures of your kids or your friends or your co-workers wearing these. Got all of these for $1.25 or less at the Dollar Tree. So I put them in this cute box, and I really think they would make some really good pictures with these on, and just fun to wear. Snowman, Santa, elf, candy canes, super cute. Well, until next time, I'll see you soon.